2 billion Muslims, 1.1 billion Hindus, 500 million Buddhists, and 15 million Jews in the world. And there are a total of 4,300 religions like these. When that is the case, some people may ask, why should I follow Islam out of this many religions? How do we know Islam is the right religion? Can we rationally prove it? We will answer this with a very interesting technique developed by the philosopher Descartes. It's called Cartesian skepticism. To summarize, he says, imagine that you have a basket full of apples. You put your hand in the basket, then pull out a good apple. When you put your hand in again and you get a rotten apple this time, do not continue to take the apples out one by one to throw the rotten ones away. Don't bother checking which one is good and which one is rotten. Instead, empty the whole basket and then put back in the basket the apples that are good. Let's apply this technique to this issue. I mean, can we look at 4,300 religions one by one? I don't think so. Then let's look at the clues in the universe using reason and logic. Let's determine the conditions that should exist in a true religion through these. Let these clues give us the direct answer to the question, why Islam? Now, when constructing a building, first there are stages to go through. For this issue, we need to make stage-by-stage eliminations starting from the foundation. Therefore, our filters will be these. Is there a God? Is there a need for religion? And if there's a need for religion, should there be a holy book and a prophet? First of all, let's look at the foundation of the building. That is, the question of whether there is a God or not. You may be thinking of many different methods of proving this. But today, let's make our search for the answer to this question through the universe that we all witness. Now listen carefully to understand the example I'm going to explain. According to physics, if there is work that has been done, then there must be a force in place that is able to do that work. Meaning, whatever I see as the doer of an act must have enough power for that work. For example, if I saw a baby pulling a plane, I would immediately look for another doer of that act, since the baby would never be able to do that work. I would either say there's a mechanical system that moves the plane, etc. Even if my eyes say that it's the baby that is pulling the plane, my mind will step in immediately and say the baby doesn't have enough power to pull the plane. I would start looking for the actual, capable doer behind that baby. And that's what makes sense, right? Just like in this example, when we look at the universe, for example,